I'm very excited about today's video because I'm joined by a true legend, Gerrit Achenbach. Born and raised in the heart of beautiful Namakwaland, Gerrit is here to show us how to bake and, more importantly, how to eat a skaapkop or a sheep's head. Now, sheep's head isn't unique to South Africa. You'll find versions of it in Iceland, Morocco, and across the Middle East and various other countries. But here at home, it's a tradition with deep roots, especially in communities where nothing on the animal goes to waste. Skaapkop form parts of oval, and trust me, Gerrit is the real deal. He's even the founding head of the Sheep's Head Eaters Guild of the West Coast. A lot of people think oval, especially skaapkop, is strange, intimidating, or even a little gross. But for many others, it's a comforting and nostalgic delicacy, and absolutely packed with flavor. And today, Gerrit is going to show us exactly why, in his classic witty style. Let's get started.